Hi everyone, this is Dayan Tumagahan, and for today's video, we will talk about measures of position for group data. So let's get started. So here we are on my presentation, and we will be discussing first the ungrouped data, or what is the ungrouped data and group data. So ungrouped data are the raw data, meaning they have just been collected but not sorted in any group or classes. Ito yung mga ikaw pa yung mag-arrange into descending order or ascending order. Tapos yung group data naman are data that have been organized into groups from the raw data so that a frequency distribution of those groups serves as a convenient means of summarizing or analyzing the data. So yung group data, yun na yung naka-arrange siya in ascending order or descending order. Depende dun sa table kung paano pagkakalagay niya. So, for our table of contents, quartile for group data, decile for group data, percentiles for group data, and the learning about frequency distribution table. So, let's start with what is quartile for group data. The quartiles are the score points which divide the distribution into 4 equal parts. The following formula is used in finding the quartiles of group data. So, value of the quartile equals lower boundary plus the value of the quartile times total frequency divided by 4 minus cumulative frequency of the class before the value of the quartile class divided by frequency of the value of the quartile, close parenthesis, size of the class interval. Deciles for group data. The deciles are those values that divide the total frequency into 10 equal parts. The nth decile denoted by dk is computed as follows. So the formula for decile for group data is value of the decile equals lower boundary plus k times n all over 10 minus cumulative frequency before the class of dk all over frequency times value of the decile, close parenthesis, class interval, size of the class interval. What is percentiles for group data? The percentile of group data is used to characterize values according to the percentage below them. The k percentile denoted by pk is computed as follows. So the formula for percentile of group data is the value of p of the value of percentile equals lower boundary plus open parenthesis k times n all over 100 minus cumulative frequency before the pk class all over frequency times the value of percentile, close parenthesis, size of the class interval. So here we are at the example of a frequency distribution table. Illustrative example number 1. Calculate the quartile 1 of the mathematics score of 50 students. So the class interval scores 46 to 50, 41 to 45, 36 to 40, 31 to 35, 26 to 30, 21 to 25. So the frequency of 46 to 50 is 4, 41 to 45 is 8, 36 to 40 is 11, 31 to 35 is 9, 26 to 30 is 12, 21 to 25 is 6. So the total value of the frequency is 50. But before we proceed to solve the quartile 1, we have to determine first what are the lower boundaries. So the lower boundaries are So, yung lower boundary, tatagulugin ko na. Yung lower boundary is ima-minus mo dun sa pinakamababa dun sa class interval sa 0.5. Kunyari, ayan, 46 to 50, ima-minus mo yung 0.5 sa 46. Kunyari, ayan, 41 to 45, ima-minus mo yung 0.5 sa 41. So on and so forth. The second step is find the less than cumulative frequency. So, to get the cumulative frequency, you have to copy first yung pinakababang frequency. Tapos ilalagay mo siya dun sa row ng less than cumulative frequency. Tapos kunyari ito, number 6 yung pinakababa ng frequency. Igagaya mo siya dun sa less than cumulative frequency. Tapos ang gagawin mo, 6 plus 12, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 11, 38. 38 plus 8, 46. 46 plus 4 equals 50. So, tama na yan kapag yung lumabas is total frequency or total number of students. Now that we have learned to find the lower boundary and the cumulative frequency, we can calculate the quartile 1 class. So, next video na.